Hey, 7th graders, I thought I would show you quickly what you're expected to do today. Find the Thursday 318 practice comparing food. We're going to this escape room. The directions are here. Please feel free to look through the directions a little bit. I have some written directions here. But I wanted to kind of go through this escape room so you understand what you're supposed to be doing. So click on that. This is a Google Forms. If there's any reason why this doesn't pop up for you right away, please let me know. But if you can see at the bottom there is a next. In order to go to each section you have to answer each question correctly. So at the very beginning this just has your name. Just put a name in there and what period you are in and click on next. And then you have a task. So if you just read this task, this is what your job is. Your job is to get healthy groceries for your family, and go ahead and read this first and take a look at your grocery list. This is what you're going to go to the grocery store for, and your job is going to be comparing the food labels to decide which are the healthiest choices. So this one, just read through this so you know what your task is and click on next. And then for each section, it'll make you go back to the top. So just use the bar on the right hand side here, because when I click on next, it always comes kind of at the bottom. Just push it all the way up to the top, get to the top, go from the top bottom. So digital adventure, reading food labels. Before you head to the store, your dad texts you a video reviewing how to read food labels. So the first thing you'll do is watch this video. And you're going to be using a website called Fujicate.com. To review the food labels, you'll click on the Fujicate links, and once you're on the website, scroll down until you find the nutritional facts for each food. So first take a look at, remember what a healthy meal looks like, and take a look at the My Plate. And then let's get ready to shop. So again, scroll all the way back up to the top. Alright, so we are first going to do snack time. The first thing in the list is snacks. They need to be quick, easy, and healthy. Take a look about what makes a healthy snack. Some snacks that you're going to look at, some granola bar, popcorn, fruit snacks, and almonds. There's nothing to click here. You're going to review these 4 labels to see which one's the healthiest. Before you look at the labels, I would get a piece of paper and write down what questions you're supposed to be looking for. It'll make it easier. You won't have to go back and forth quite so much. So first you're going to decide on the amount of, you're going to look at the sugar amount, the added sugar. You need to write down the added sugar for granola bar, fruit snacks, popcorn, and almonds. And then this allows you to rank it from the lowest amount of added sugar to the highest amount of sugar. So your lowest number to the highest number. You'll decide if it is 1, 2, 3, or 4. And your answer has to be the name of it. So what you could do, let's say that it happens to be for this one right here. If you highlight this and you copy it by holding down your control key and your C key, that copies it. And then you click here, hold down your control key and your V, and that pastes it. So you just copy and paste. It says copy the correct answer below. Copy and paste it. Don't copy the number, just copy and paste the words. If your answer is not correct, it will not let you go on to the next part of this label or this game. So then you have to look at which option has is least processed or the least amount of ingredients, which snack has the most protein per serving. So you're looking at the amount of protein, least amount of ingredients, and the amount of added sugar. Those are the 3 items you're going to be looking for in each of these websites. So let's just go to the granola bar. We're going to find those 3 things. Added sugar. Again, I would write these down. Added sugar, the number of ingredients, and the protein. So let's click on this. It will take you to this Fujicate website. Has a little thing at the top there. And then you will just scroll down to find the ingredients. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here we go. Nutrition for 2 bars. We were looking for added sugars. You write down 11 grams. We were looking at protein, 3 grams. And the third thing was added sugar, protein, and now I already forgot, so I'm going to have to go back. Added sugar, protein, and the number of ingredients. So the number of ingredients, I gotta scroll down a little further. There's your ingredients. Count them. Whole grain oats. This is 1 ingredient, whole grain oats. So between each comma is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 ingredients. Write down the number 10 for the number of ingredients for the granola bar. Go back to its learning. Go to the fruit snacks. Do the exact same thing because you need to compare these 4. So you want to write down the same information about all 4. When you have answered all of your questions, you click on Next. It will not let you go to the next form until these are correct. So if these answers are incorrect, you have to put the correct answer. Spelling errors will be incorrect. The information is all right in front of you, so you shouldn't have any spelling errors. All right, if you have questions, please ask me.